Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you something that Santa brought to me. I've been wanting this for quite a while now, and actually would have been very handy to have this particular device when we toured. So after this video I'm gonna present you the product, and after this video I'm gonna start posting our touring in France and Italy, and would have been really helpful to have this with me. So let's do a bit of unboxing. This is it, guys. This is it. Let's see. Look at this. Look at this. It's Carpuride navigation system W502 Pro and with tire pressure monitor system. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna cut this off. And let's take this wrap off. Guys, this is one of the coolest thing ever. So you've got Android Auto, you've got CarPlay, it's IP67 waterproof, it's got Bluetooth, like dual Bluetooth, you can connect with both helmets. It's got voice controls, it's got SD cards, it has everything. Let's see what we've got over here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ooh. Look at this beautiful baby. I wanted the W502 just because it's a bit smaller and I think it will fit perfectly to my Ninja. So let's see what we've got here. We've got the device itself. We've got all the wires that you need. Should be super easy to connect it either to your battery, or if you have some USB or something like that. Should be super easy. Okay, let's see what else we've got in the box. So we've got the clamp also. This clamp should help me to mount it on the bike, and I can't wait to do that. And also, I'm not sure what's this, but I'm sure that I'll figure it out after. And the most important thing, because I've got an USB there next to my dash, I've got an USB connection, so it will be a plug and play thing. And of course the tire sensor monitor system. I'm a bit obsessed with my tire pressure. I'm always checking the tire pressure. So this system, the Carpuride W502 Pro, should help me a lot with that. I don't have to constantly check. I need to plug in my tire inflator and check all the time the tire pressure, sorry. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna go now, install it on the bike, turn it on, and see what is this baby about. Okay, we took the bike out and let's install this baby. If you haven't got a bracket here to install it, they give you one of this, so you have this option, but there are plenty of other options. But this one comes in the box, is really handy for the handlebars. It's not really suited for my bike, but for any naked bikes or some classic bikes, this would be perfect. If you've got a Ninja, like mine, so we've got here the Kawasaki Ninja 1006. If you've got a Ninja like mine, you can have one of these brackets like that. You can buy them online, and I've got a RAM mount in there, and I'm just gonna install it like that. Look how easy it is, because the Carpuride system is coming already with this connection ball. Okay, let's see. Will that work or not? And look at this. Okay, need to put it straight and look at this. And of course, it's really easy to connect it because I've got an USB port here. So we're just gonna stick it in, ignition on, and let's see it for the first time. Carpuride. Let's see it. The sound is played from the Bluetooth transmission output. Look at this. And one cool feature is that you can use actually the gloves, so you don't have to take your gloves off. You know what? I'm going to grab a glove and I'm coming back in a second. I've got my glove on. Look at this. Look at this. So if you want to go into settings, look at this. Really cool. Okay, let's walk you through a bit because I don't know much about it as well. So let's see how is the menu. I guess this is the main menu. We've got Android Auto, we've got audio output, so you can connect up to 2 phones or up to 2 intercoms. So for example, if you're riding with your wife like I'm doing, you can connect both of your helmets with this and can play music through it for both of them, which is really cool. What else have we got? A lot of settings, of course. Mountings. It should have a barometer as well and a compass, so it will give you the angle, the lean angle, and it will give you the heading as well, which is very handy, very handy. Now it's 8 degrees on the left hand side. Phone. Okay, what was my previous system? My previous system was an older phone that I was using. This was an older phone and I was putting it here and I was giving it basically Wi-Fi through my main phone. But I couldn't see the messages, I couldn't see the WhatsApp, I couldn't see who is calling me. Now, if I'm connecting my phone straight to the Carpuride navigation system, I'm gonna have, of course I haven't connected my phone yet, I'm gonna have all the phones, WhatsApp messages or normal SMS messages. So when I'm riding, I can see exactly who's calling, if it's something important or not, take the call or don't take it at all. Of course, you can put an SD card on it, so you can play music straight from the SD card. Settings. Another cool thing is that you've got a wallpaper and you can put whatever wallpapers you want. Look at this. And I think you can put one, I'll put one with my bike, of course. Wi-Fi, I'll connect it through the Wi-Fi, and of course, Bluetooth option. Man, this is so cool. Okay, let's connect it through a phone and see how the Navi looks on it. I've just connected my phone through it. The connection is pretty easy and seamless. You just pair it through the Bluetooth. And look at this. This is something that I've been wanting for a very long time. I've got basically my phone mirrored through the Android Auto here. So I've got my Messenger, I've got my Samsung Music, I've got my Waze, my Spotify, my WhatsApp. And look at this. Pressing the Waze button and look at this, look at this. Finally guys, finally I have proper navigation. I will not use the phone anymore. And of course it's giving you the speed limits, cameras, Spotify. Look at this. You basically have everything, and you can split screen it, so you can have your music in this side and you can have your Navi in the other side. I really wish that I could have had this thing with me when we toured through the Europe. So once again I'm saying, if you have a Ninja, the W502 Pro is the one to get, because it's smaller, so it fits here perfectly. Especially if you have not a sporty screen, you can tuck it in even more, but even like that, the position, it's absolutely beautiful. Of course, I will need to neatly put the cables away nicely. I will wrap it around the RAM mount there to be as neat as possible, but it's so damn easy. If you do not want any wires here, you can just connect it straight to the battery. It's really easy. You've got red and black, just connect it there, no more wires. But anyway, this is something that I would be using a lot and I'm super happy with that. Okay, let's put the tire pressure monitor system and see if it's showing us any pressure here. But I think I need to ride it to do that. Let's see. Guys, you really need to check the Carpuride website. They've got all kind of system. If you've got an adventure bike, they've got bigger ones. They've got with cameras, front and back. They've got even with radar systems. It's crazy. I just wanted this one because it's really nice and simple and it fits perfectly with my bike. The tire pressure sensors are now on. So, if we are going into mountings, it's showing us here 229 for the front, 281 for the rear. How cool is that? It's even showing the temperature inside there. This is so damn cool. I'm 100% honest with you. I like this thing a lot. If you do want to buy one of these, you've got 30% off through my code, which is FreeTurtle. I'm going to leave it on the screen and I'm going to leave it on the description. So press the link in the description and you'll have 30% off. That's quite an offer right there. That's quite an offer. But I couldn't be more happier with this. I'm genuinely happy. I'm not saying it just to advertise it. I'm genuinely happy with the product and I can't wait to go out on the bike and test this baby out. Just put the screen on, put the Navi on and just go somewhere. I hope you guys like this video because I'm definitely super excited about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press like, share this video if you want all your friends to see this. Carpuride W502 Pro. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!